Hi everyone, my name is Randy Perez. I'm one of the new project managers here at Paul Davis. Literally started about 4 hours ago. So new, I'm brand new now. What I'm looking forward to at Paul Davis is the new opportunities. The work environment here is sensational. All the individuals here are beyond marvelous. Therefore, I'm looking forward to very much sort of starting this new journey. What I pretty much do for fun is play basketball, play a lot of baseball, and go to the dog park with my dog and go to the beach. I mean, that's pretty much what you could do here in South Florida. It's go to the beach. Looking forward to finishing off 2020 strong, very strong with the Paul Davis team, and very much so looking forward to 2021 and the new experiences and journeys that it's going to bring for me and the Paul Davis team.